Hello and welcome to my review of Windows 7. I'm going to try to keep this review short, one part, and just give you a quick look at all the new features. So the first feature that you'll notice is the new taskbar. As a default, it'll come with the larger icons, which are that big. I find them to be a little too big, take up a little too much screen space when they're like this, so small icons are probably better. Now you can change this so you can never combine. If you don't like the way it is here, you can change it kind of to the way this is. But you'll get used to the way it is. The way this works is these applications here are all pinned. I can just click on them and it opens up like so. Now it's open. As you can see, it's got like a white box around it. That's how you can tell it's open. You can open multiple by swiping up, doing Windows Explorer again. Now it's got three little things behind it, so you can tell how many are open. Now, if we minimize all these, hover a mouse over, you can preview each one individually. So that's a really useful feature. The taskbar is a little different, but you get used to it really, really fast. So that's the taskbar. Another big feature is personalization. As default, it comes with these themes here. And when you click on a theme, it changes everything. It changes the sounds, it changes the background, it changes the window colors. Now you can make your own themes like this, and you can download them from the internet, so you can really play with it a lot. Let's say you like this theme, but you don't like the color. You can just you can click here and individually change what they have. So you can change the color, or you can just make your own by doing this and then save it as a new one. So I could change the color to pink and put it to max, and there, now I have pink. So that's pretty cool. You can personalize it a lot. I really like the ones that come here. I'm gonna keep it like that. Looks kind of cool. um, Now when you cool feature about it is you can search for documents too. If you have XP, search is really really cool in Windows 7. I could search for concert. In my file, concert review comes up. Now let's say I can't remember what the file's name is. I just know what the concert was about. I could type Laurier, and review comes up because I have this word in the concert file. So it searches within Word documents, which is really, really neat. I find that extremely useful. For these that are pinned here, you can hover your mouse over and open up files that you've recently used, which is pretty cool. So I got all these files. I can do all this stuff here. So that's really neat. Same goes for let's say I have Word here. I can swipe up and open a recent file that I've edited, which you'll find that you use this a lot because you're always editing the files that you just created. A cool new feature with iTunes that I just discovered is let me just show you here. This, by the way, is a 64-bit version, and it's running on a laptop. There. Normally boots faster, but the screen capture program does use some CPU power. Okay, so now that that's playing, I can hover my mouse over here and go next song, next song, next song, and it'll change the song. It can pause, play. So I found that to be a really useful feature. The calculator is updated in Windows 7. So you can see it's got a new UI. What's also updated is WordPad. WordPad now has these ribbons similar to Microsoft Office. Obviously, it has not nearly as many features, but you could use this for your primary word editing software, there's no reason why you couldn't. You just can't do more advanced things. But for typing up documents, it's fine. Most of the other stuff is the same old, same old. Just I find it runs a lot faster. This video won't really do it justice because, of course, the screen capture program is using quite a bit of my CPU. It's using 68% here. But it does run a lot faster than Vista does. So if you're thinking about upgrading, for sure go for it. Gadgets are also updated in Windows 7. By default, it comes with these gadgets here, except for this one. And this one, it just comes with these ones here. So I can grab my weather, drag it on here, and put currency on, and clock. And then, unlike Vista, you can drag them anywhere. They're not locked to the side. You can put them wherever you want on your desktop. So that's pretty cool. I just use this one. What else do we got here? For gaming, you will see better performance in Vista. I've seen some benchmarks and things, and it is better for sure for gaming. A cool feature if you have XP and you're upgrading, you can press this here, show the preview panel, and then if you click on, like, for example, here's a PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint will preview in the right hand side here so you can see the side, and then that goes for Word documents. So that's pretty neat. Search is really fast. I already showed you how you can search Word documents. You can also set it up to search like Google and stuff. So you can just Google whatever you wanted, click, and it would launch into Internet Explorer, whatever your browser is. Which you couldn't do that in Vista, so that's pretty neat. As far as games, it comes with just pretty much the default games that most of the other ones have come with: Minesweeper, Solitaire, Spider Solitaire, Internet, Checkers, and Backgammon. So yeah, it's the same old stuff. Doesn't have pinball, which whatever, right? What else we got here? It comes with sticky notes, which is actually pretty cool. You can just put your note, and it'll stay there then. You can resize this however big you want it. It's pretty much saying like an app then. And you can save it or delete it. Paint has also got a UI upgrade. Again, it's got the ribbons, some more tools. Still pretty basic. As far as antivirus goes, I would highly recommend getting this Microsoft Security Essentials. It's of course an official Microsoft product. It's really snappy, and it's not like some of the other ones. It's free, completely free. It's a good antivirus firewall, and so it's a good alternative to something like AVG or whatever. Power management is better in Windows 7. You can make your own plans and stuff. I made my own plan here in Matt, which I use, and you can change what all the buttons do and such, as far as sleeping and hibernating and all that good stuff. Lastly, not too much more to say. So I'm just gonna wrap up this video here. Not too much more to say. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comments, whatever, just leave them. If you're wondering what screen capture program I am using, it's Camtasia Studio by TechSmith. I highly recommend it. It's really good. So anyways, thanks for watching, and see you later.